Hey ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to the channel. As always, it is Nick here, back with your daily crypto news and analysis. Today, we are going to be talking about a lot of things in regards to XRP. So first and foremost, I just want to ask if you guys are a holder of XRP, and if you guys support it, and if you guys think that there's no doubt that XRP wins this lawsuit and XRP flies to the moon, like this video, comment down below why you hold XRP. So with that being said, let's just jump into this. So first and foremost, Bitcoin right now is ranging around this 50K zone, kind of consolidating sideways, if you will, while Ethereum is ranging to 4K. It did hit 4K today already. Bitcoin did hit 51K as well. We are seeing a lot of altcoins, for an example, XRP ranging on $1.30. I just want $1.35 cleared before we do see more fireworks happening, but we do see altcoins making a move in the market opposed to Bitcoin, kind of a lot of them, if you will. Even if you look at Solana, right, it's kind of just saying, all right, see you, Bitcoin. We're going to decouple and pretty much launch 70% in a 7-day span. Like, it is absolutely massive, the moves that Solana has made. And a lot of other altcoins, even like Litecoin, right? Even Bitcoin Cash, there's a lot of other altcoins that are making significant moves. And I think that this is only the beginning to what's to come. And I'm just saying right now, Solana's move, everybody should be watching this move, because this is similar moves to what other altcoins will do in the coming weeks to months. So, with that being said, let's just jump into it. Let's talk about a few things. So first and foremost, do not undermine, XRP. Right now, the corridors are, pretty much transacting with XRP. They're pretty much launching. This is ramping up a lot lately as well, too. So, right now, currently on the day span, we did hit about $1.32. As we do see up here, but we do see a lot of corridors ramping up transactions. Now, we do see a lot of that coming from Korea. Again, all that kind of stuff from over in Korea, Japan, the Asian markets. That is where a lot of these transactions are actually being made. We do see some being made in the US, even in Europe, even in India as well. But for the most part, right now, a lot of this is coming from those Asian areas overseas. So it is what it is, but we are seeing, millions trade it in the past minutes. I mean, we could watch it just here. It's flying. There's like 3.4 million. It's continuing to ramp up. This is something to really watch for and watch out for, because there's a lot of moves in the market being made for a lot of altcoins. I'm just going to say it right now, XRP is one of those altcoins that loves to run last, and it's going to make a huge shift in the market. Now, in regards to Japan and the Asian marketplace, let's look at this, right? Japanese Amazon Rakuten to resume XRP trading. The Japanese e-commerce behemoth's Rakuten wallet will resume XRP margin trading starting from September 8th, according to a recent announcement. Now, if this is true, which, I don't doubt that it is, I'm just saying this could be huge for us. We even see our major Japanese online retailing company Rakuten has announced that it's going to resume XRP margin trading on its Rakuten wallet exchange. The service was halted on December 24th, 2 days after the US SEC lawsuit. Now we do see here Coinbase, Kraken, Binance US, Bitstamp, and a slew of other exchanges are yet to reinstate trading, but I do think that it is only a matter of time with that. Now, I do think that Rakuten is going to be a huge inflow for us. I think that this is actually major news, especially I'm going to be watching out for September 8th. Even if we look here, and September 8th is Wednesday of next week. So that is pretty much the middle of the week. The middle of the week is always good for crypto. So that day could be the change of heart for XRP to really fly to $2 plus. I do think that it is only a matter of time before we do see that influx as well. Even right now, with a lot of corridors ramping up, crypto transactions in terms of XRP, and we also see, relistings happening, and we also see the SEC bombshells, right? So we could easily see a win in the courts. Now we do see here, talking about the lawsuit, the XRP lawsuit is a bullish signal for smart investors. And I do think that this is 100% correct, right? I told you guys. Now, I told you I bought XRP very low. All right, I bought it back in March of 2020, but also, I'm going to tell you right now, I bought back in December, because December was the time to buy. We were actually at 17 cents, and I remember specifically buying at 17 cents and just saying, wow, I can't believe I just bought a double-digit asset at 17 cents, because I knew then what I know now, and that is the fact that XRP has massive life-changing potential behind it for a lot of individuals, a lot of companies, corporations, institutions, and even the banking system. So I know for a fact that this lawsuit was bullish since day one. A lot of people were scared, a lot of people were concerned, but honestly, it is absolutely bullish for all of crypto and XRP in terms of this lawsuit. Now we also see here, most people say the sky's the limit, but that's not true. The universe is the limit for XRP. And when we actually talk about this, I understand that this could be just a bullish, sort of, tweet. Oh, it doesn't really have anything behind it. But realistically speaking, when you look at what XRP and Ripple is actually doing together in terms of the line of credit, we even look at the HODL service, we also look at the XRP ledger and what they're going to be doing with stablecoins and stuff. Truly speaking, I think XRP is one of the altcoins in this market. Now, of course, I hold HBAR, so HBAR, again, is an incredible asset with a lot of utility, but I do think that XRP has one of the most utility aspects behind it compared to most of these other altcoins. Like, for an example, XRP could easily hit, Bitcoin's all-time high market cap this bull run, and I would not be surprised by it because of how much utility is in place for it. We see altcoins like ADA sitting at about 95 billion in terms of a market cap. And I mean, some of these altcoins should really not be up here. But ADA, as you guys already know, it's false promises until there is something that is true. We are ranging into quarter three. Quarter three is almost ending, and we don't have smart contracts still, so that is concerning. Now, in regards to this, though, everything looks bullish, and I'm sure that everybody who's watching this will most likely agree. But what about this, right? We see the chances Bitcoin breaks 100K are effectively zero, in my opinion. And of course, he's most likely talking about this bull run, maybe. But I mean, if he's talking about this bull run, I don't think that it's going to hit 100K plus this bull run, but who knows? I'd love to be proven wrong again. Now, in regards to that, the reason why I don't think that it's going to hit 100K is just simply because when you look at it, right, everybody's waiting for 100K on Bitcoin. And usually, when everybody's waiting for it, when everybody thinks that's going to happen, it never happens. Now, of course, I do think that Bitcoin will break 100K at some point in time. I just don't think that it's going to happen this bull run. I think it's more so between about 75 to about 85K with tops of about 95K overall. But that's just my opinion. Also, Crypto Whale, no hate towards him, but he has been calling for a bear market forever now. And I mean, I guess if you keep saying it, you'll be right at some point in time. Now, in regards to that tweet, I do see here, Anders, it's when people start losing faith in XRP that you should start paying attention. I've been here before. People don't remember mid to late 2017. Understand the game. And we are also seeing a lot of individuals losing faith in XRP, saying that they sold it for this, that, whatever the case may be. But honestly, that is the time, in my opinion, to always scoop up even more XRP, because when people start saying that, oh, XRP is going nowhere, I'd rather buy this, that is exactly when the tides turn, and that is when the waves start to crash, and that is when we do see XRP rising all day long in terms of price. And we do see here, XRP 360 Elite, we've been riding this train to glory, new breakout is coming. And if we do look here, again, he's pointing to exactly my pinpoint, that $1.35 zone that I've been watching forever now. And I do think that it is only a matter of time before we get that major breaking point above $1.50 in order to reach $2 plus. And I do think that is going to be happening faster than people actually expect it to. Now, we also see here, I believe this is possible. Solana can go from $2 to $100 plus in 8 months. XRP can do it in 4, especially considering lawsuit ending, Flare going live, and years of price suppression. We do talk about XRP reaching $100 this year. Now, obviously, I do think that XRP does have the potential to hit $100 this year. I just don't think that it is actually going to be happening. That is just my overall pinpoint. A lot of people think that this XRP lawsuit is going to be the changing point for XRP to get to $100 to $500 to $1,000 and so forth. But realistically speaking, that's not what will put it into those price levels. What will put it into that price level is utility factors, right? Being utilized as the ODL service, being utilized as line of credit and stuff like that. That's what will actually make it go to those prices. Now, don't get me wrong. I do think that the lawsuit ending will put it to around $50 to $100. I just don't know if it is going to happen this year. I do think that it could, depending on how the SEC handles this lawsuit. But I'm just going to say it right now. I do believe that it could hit $100 this year. I do think that it does have a fairly good probability. I'm just not betting on it, right? I'm more so betting on about $15 to $25 with highs of about $50. 30 to 50 is a good pinpoint for me personally. So it is what it is. Again, I'd love to be proven wrong. I know the power behind XRP, so I do know the potential that it does have, and I do think that it is a $100 to $1,000 plus asset. It's just going to take a little bit of time to get there. Now, in regards to that, I do have one last thing that I truly want to talk about before we jump into the chart and kind of look at it just very briefly. We just hear SBI Holdings to launch Japan's first crypto fund that will invest in XRP, Bitcoin, and Ethereum. Now, I actually made a video on this yesterday, but I'm just going to say it right now. With this stuff happening in terms of the demand for these holdings, for these top tier assets, I think that this is a perfect example of how these assets will actually perform. Like, we have so much actual innovation, adoption, and demand growing and growing and growing for crypto day by day. And I do think that this bull run is going to be very different in terms of the percentage gains. I don't think that's going to be different in terms of where we top out at or so forth. I still think that our topping point is around that November to pretty much February pinpoint for most altcoins. Now, in regards to this, I'm just going to say right now, with a lot of this, adoption happening overseas, especially in those Japan and Asian markets, those are going to be the pinnacle of success for XRP, because we know that 90% of our clientele and customer base is actually outside of the US. So that is going to really launch us in price. Now, in regards to this, I'm just going to say right now, check out this chart. We are ranging over $1.30 right now. We are about to retest $1.31, and I do want $1.35 to be broken. I think from here, right, I think if we could break $1.35 and actually hold above $1.35, we'll most likely retest $1.50. If $1.50 is broken, I think that we range to $2 plus very fast. That is a 50% almost increase in price from that $1.35 price point from our current price. It is roughly about 52, almost 53% of an increase in price. Now from here, our next pinpoint, honestly, my next target on XRP is $2, but after that, it's just all-time high. Like, I'm just waiting for all-time high at this point because I do think that is going to be happening very soon, most likely within the middle to the end of September. I think XRP is an absolute giant, and we do know how fast it could move. If you guys were here during the last bull runs, you would obviously know how fast we could move as well. So with that being said, I am waiting very, very patiently for XRP to make its next major moving point in the market, but I don't think it's going to be happening in the long term. I think it's going to be happening very, very soon. So I don't think that we have to wait any more longer. I think that we are ranging to have this next major breaking point across all altcoins as well. So with that being said, I hope that you all enjoyed this video. If you guys did, definitely leave a like, subscribe, turn notifications on. If you guys don't want free content, you guys are more than welcome to follow me on Twitter and join the free Discord down in the description below. I hope that you all have a beautiful day or a beautiful night wherever you guys are in this beautiful world. This has been Nick. Peace out, guys.